spread. Should we just go home? Good morning, my sweet potatoes. So it is Saturday. It's currently 10:38 and we just had breakfast not too long ago, but today is supposed to be an exciting day. Hopefully if the weather stays nice. But Kyle and I are supposed to go on a picnic today. I've been like planning this for like the whole week because I just thought it would be a fun idea. We like picnics. We've been doing that a lot lately and I just wanted to put a little bit more effort into this one, make it a little bit cuter, and just like show you guys the setup and bring you along and like all of that. We'll probably head out around like 12:30 if the weather's okay. Like I said, it's really cloudy right now. It's super cloudy right now and that makes me sad, but it's supposed to clear up around 1, I believe. So yeah, I'm about to do my hair, so let's do that together. I'm like squeezing your head and you keep moving. You keep like tilting your head. It's like you're trying to dodge my boobs.
Stop. Bonk, 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 bonk. I think I saw your face in the moon. I promise I'll be with you as soon as I find a way up. Yeah. 'Cause you're farther than a kiss on the phone.
Okay, hair is complete. Hey guys, it's Editing Michelle popping in. This next part of the video is of me preparing the food for the picnic. So I'm making egg salad sandwiches and tuna mayo rice balls, but unfortunately my portable hard drive that I was storing this footage on somehow got messed up and I lost some clips and some of the audio as well. So I'm just gonna do a little narration for the next couple of minutes. So the first part is me making the egg salad sandwiches. I boiled some eggs to make hard-boiled eggs and then I put them in a bowl of cold water to stop them from cooking. Once they were cooled down, I peeled them, mashed them up, added some salt, pepper, milk, Kewpie mayonnaise, and mixed it all together to make the filling. Then I got some bread and I made sure to buy the kind that's cut into super thick and fluffy pieces. Spread some butter on one side because I think that keeps the bread from getting too soggy from the filling. I spread the egg salad on the other side, then cut off all of the crusts. And lastly, I cut them in half into 2 rectangles and look at that, so creamy and fluffy and delicious. And then I also decided to make some spicy tuna mayo onigiris. Unfortunately, I lost pretty much all of the footage of me making them, but here's me wrapping them up in some cling wrap. I basically just mixed together some canned tuna, Kewpie mayo, shoyu, sriracha, and rice vinegar, stuffed that inside some rice and shaped it into a triangle, put on a little strip of seaweed, and that's it. And by the way, I'll also link the recipes that I used in the description box, so check that out if you are interested. Okay, I'm packing everything in this lunch bag right now. I've got my oranges and grapes, and then the onigiri, and the egg sandwiches. I also have these choco runs, strawberry flavored. Gonna need to do some Tetrising. Oh my gosh, it's like a house for food. Alright, so pretty much ready to go. I didn't even show you my outfit, but also it's already 1:30. We are super late and we have to stop by a store as well to pick up some other stuff. We're trying to look for ramen drinks. But anyway, here is the final look. I did my face, very minimal makeup, just like the eyes. I don't even wear any like foundation or concealer anymore because I don't know, I just don't like it getting on my mask. Just in general, I don't really like wearing foundation or concealer. So I just focus on the eyes, put some lip color on, which I need to bring. And then I think this is the outfit that I'm going with today. So I've got a little headband. This is actually like a handkerchief that I tied in the back. Also put on my favorite necklace. This really nice woman in Hawaii hand makes these necklaces, and it's the Virgo constellation, and she has like all of the zodiacs as well. And then I threw on this sheer lacy top. I just thrifted this at Goodwill actually. However, it is quite open, so I'm wearing a HeatTech tank top underneath to keep me warm because it is still a little bit chilly. I do see some blue skies and the sunshine though, so I'm really happy about that. And then please don't mind the room. It's very messy, I know. I am well aware. But as for pants, I'm just going with these beige, high-waisted, kind of straight leg, loose-fitting pants, and these are from Everlane. And then I'm probably just gonna wear white sneakers. That's gonna be our OOTD.
You really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night.
Okay, we just settled on a location. We just got to a park and we just settled down. Oh my god, my hair. It's such a nice day. The sun came out. It's like cloudy, but not too bad. This way it's pretty cloudy, but if you look this way, blue skies. Here's our setup. I got this picnic blanket recently on Amazon, and there's a bunch of like dandelions everywhere, which makes me really happy because I really like dandelions. Oh my gosh, and Kyle picked one. Wow, it's so fluffy. Okay, so we can set up the food now. Oh man, I just like dropped all the oranges, but I don't even think you guys saw because I wasn't recording. Whew. Okay, I just took some pictures thanks to Kyle's help. He's the best Instagram boyfriend. But it's really cold, so I put my jacket on, and now we're finally gonna eat. So we gotta wash or wipe our hands first, of course. So here you go. Man, I can't wait till the weather is warmer. And there's a guy playing an instrument over there. I can't really tell what he's playing. I think it might be a clarinet or an oboe. Can't really tell because he's going really high. Maybe an oboe. It sounds a little bit like an oboe. I don't know. What do you want?
Nice one.
Okay. You can have this one. It's the biggest. I have this one. Okay, so here's our spread. We stopped by a grocery store and we got 2 ramune. If you don't know what ramune is, it's basically just like a carbonated, like flavored drink. Well, the original, I don't even know what the original flavor is, but it's just like a sweet carbonated drink. And then there was also this one that was melon flavored. I've never tried this one. It's really cool because there's like a ball that you have to push down. It's like stuck in the cap and you push it down, and then that's how it like starts the carbonation. Or is it already carbonated? Well, basically you just have to push the ball down and then that's how you drink it. You'll see, you'll see, you'll see. We'll open it later. Then we've got grapes, my orange slices that I dropped on the mat, some tuna, spicy tuna mayo onigiri, the egg salad sandwiches, and some choco rooms for dessert. Oh, he's so loud. Ooh, wow. I still can't tell what he's playing. Itadakimasu. Oh man, it's hella cold. The flavor is good though. Got some live music.
Ooh.
Wow.
These grapes are really good.
Ooh. Yeah, they're pretty big. They're juicy. Time for the egg salad sandwich. Here, grab this one. I suck at cutting bread for some reason. Ooh, look. Egg sando. Oishii. Oh, I did a good job. Oh, it's a little salty. But yeah, I think I put too much salt.
I think it's really good.
Yay!
I think it's really good. Like, I want you to make it again. it's cold.
Should we just go home?
Maybe.
Yeah.
We'll see.
We'll drink the ramen or open the ramen and then.
Oh yeah, for sure. Well, we're gonna have to drink it all once it's open. There's no lid.
Okay, we're gonna open the ramen.
I feel like you should do green first as a practice run.
True, true, true.
Ooh, sun.
Ooh, the sun.
Oh, this is the best feeling.
Oh, the sun feels so good. Oh my. You just push it?
Yep.
Ooh. So, this is the thing that you use to push the marble in. You can see the marble at the top. So you gotta push it in. Okay, ready? Okay, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Okay, it didn't explode. Yay! Now you can drink it. Can you see the marble in there?
Take two.
Take two.
Now that you know how it works, maybe you should start
Now that I remember. Oi. Put it on top. Then you just press down. Ah! Yay! Cheers! Tastes like childhood.
Cool time. Mine.
Oh yeah. What?
What?
Did you say mine?
You think that one's better?
I do like this one actually.
Okay.
Okay, trade. Then you can see, yeah, you can clearly see the marble now. The wind was blowing into the bottle and it was singing. Oh!
Anyways.
I used to play flute. I should be able to do this. Yo, I'm like freezing here. It's getting cloudy. There's hella clouds this way too. Okay, I'm done. Time to go. See you at home. Okay, hello everyone. Update. We just got home not too long ago. It's so nice to be back inside where it's nice and warm. It's like 4:30 now. I'm probably just gonna end the vlog here, and I'm also surprised that my makeup is like still on. It was super windy and cold. Still got my liner. My lashes are looking okay, pretty decent. So that's it for today's vlog. Thank you for watching. I hope this was fun to watch. Let me know if you want to see more vlogs, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!